It is nice to meet you too, Alex. May I ask, where are you from?
Yes, of course. I am from the United States. And what about you? Are you from the United States also?
No, I am actually from Canada.
Oh, wonderful. And Sarah, what do you do for work?
I am an English teacher. And you, Alex? What is your job?
That is interesting. I am a video editor.
Okay, let's stop the acting there. That felt very natural, didn't it?
Yes, it did. It was a real conversation. But if you listen closely, we only used very basic grammar and very simple words.
Let's take some time and look at those pieces very slowly so everyone listening can feel confident using them.
Good idea. The first piece is the easiest. It is just your name.
Many beginners learn to say, "My name is Sarah." That is correct English. It is perfectly fine. But native speakers usually make it shorter.
Right. In a casual situation, we just say, I'm, and then our name. It sounds friendlier. I'm Alex.
I'm Sarah. It is fast and easy to say. Okay, what is the second piece of information we need?
Usually, the next thing people want to know is where you are from. It's great for making small talk.
To answer this, we use the very simple phrase, I am from. You can say your country or your city.
For example, I said, I am from the United States.
And I said, I am from Canada. If you want to be specific, you could say, I am from New York, or I am from Toronto.
So we have the name and we have the place. What is the third piece, Sarah?
The third piece is your job. This is almost always part of a first introduction in English. People will ask, what do you do?
And the answer is simple. I am a, or I am an, followed by your job title.
But we need to be careful here with the grammar, right, Alex?
Yes, this is a common little mistake. You need to choose between a or an.
It sounds complicated, but here is the easy rule. If your job word starts with a consonant sound, like T, B, D, S, you use a.
Like a teacher or a doctor or a student.
Exactly. But if your job word starts with a vowel sound, A, E, I, O, U, you need to use an.
For example, an engineer, an accountant, an artist. It just makes it easier to say.
So I said, I am an English teacher, because English starts with an E sound.
And I said, I am a video editor, because video starts with a V consonant sound. Okay, that is 3 parts. Name, place, job. Are we finished?
No, you cannot just say your job and then walk away silently. That would be rude. You need the fourth piece, the polite closing phrase.
This is the easiest part to remember, because it is almost always the same phrase.
Yes, you just look at the person, smile, and say, "It's nice to meet you."
Or if they say it first, you say, it's nice to meet you too.
And that is it. Those 4 simple sentences are everything you need to start speaking.
You know, Sarah, understanding these 4 pieces is easy when we are just sitting here talking about it.
That is true. Understanding is easy, but doing it in real life when you are nervous is hard.
The only way to make it less nervous is to practice until your mouth knows the words automatically.
You are right. We need to practice right now. We are going to help everyone listening to practice with us.
Okay, let's do a role play. I'll be myself, but Sarah, you are not Sarah right now. You are the person listening to us.
Okay, I understand. I will help guide them. Alex, you start the conversation with our new friend listening.
Hello there. I don't think we have met. I'm Alex.
Now, you need to reply. Say hello to Alex and tell him your name. Say, I'm, followed by your name. Go ahead, say it out loud. That was good. Now, be polite. Say, it is nice to meet you. Excellent. Okay, Alex, continue the conversation.
It is nice to meet you too. Can I ask, where are you from?
Okay. Tell Alex your country. Remember the phrase, I am from. Say it now. Very good. Alex, ask the next question.
Oh, that is a wonderful place. And what do you do for work?
This is the tricky one. Tell him your job. Remember to choose I am a or I am an. Tell him your job now. Fantastic.
Wow, that is very interesting. Well, it was really great meeting you today.
And that is the end of the conversation. If you spoke out loud just now, congratulations! You just successfully introduced yourself in English.
How did that feel? It wasn't too scary when we broke it down into small pieces, was it?
It's all about keeping it simple. Don't try to use complicated words when you are a beginner. Short, clear sentences are the best sentences.
Before we go, I think we should give everyone a little bit of homework.
Yes, homework is important. We want you to practice this introduction in the comments section below this video.
Write it down for us. Write, hi, I'm your name. I am from your country. I am your job. It is nice to meet you.
We really do want to meet you, so please type it out so we can say hello in the comments. Practice makes progress. Keep practicing those 4 sentences today.